Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with a usable live photo. That matters because TikTok treats motion differently. Pick or convert a short clip to a live photo, then trim to about 3 to 6 seconds so it loops cleanly. Once done, open TikTok and tap the plus to create a post. Make sure you import the live photo from Photos and select the live frame option. This first step captures the motion you want. It sets the foundation for smooth wallpaper-like playback inside TikTok. Once your live photo is in TikTok, refine the motion so it feels like wallpaper rather than a one-off clip. You can trim and change speed to 0, 5 or 1. 5. Slow motion often looks like a looped wallpaper. Make sure to apply loop or repeat effects to smooth the start and end, and add subtle filters for consistent color. Also, decide whether to mute or add ambient audio. You want the motion to be the focus, so less intrusive sound usually works better. Finish by exporting the edited clip at the highest quality and save it back to Photos. This version becomes your wallpaper source. Then convert or save as a live photo if needed, and set it in iPhone wallpaper settings. Choose Live Photo and enable perspective if desired. If the final wallpaper looks jumpy or stutters, make sure to retrim the endpoints, add a loop effect, or re-render at 30 frames per second. That usually fixes timing mismatch problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.